Hi everybody, this is Patrick with Mainland Cycle Center, and today we're looking at a Cfmoto U10 Pro. And this unit here, we put the Cfmoto half doors on. These are the same half doors, I believe, that are also on the U-Force 1000 XL, the front set of course. And just wanted to show some people what they look like on the actual machine, because they've only got like one or two pictures on Cfmoto's website, and I just hadn't seen any actually on a unit, let alone a video of somebody walking around and showing what the unit looks like with those on it. We also added the tip-up power windshield for this gentleman. This unit is already sold, and then he also purchased, they sell a color match piece that goes in the center here to match this red, just to look real good. Those are on back order at the moment. Little ball style latch here for that. Real nice big door, opens real wide all the way out. So plenty of space, no hindrance to get in and out of the machine. Some doors will only open up to be like this far, and that's a little crazy to me. Shuts by itself once adjusted properly. These have just been awesome machines for us. Beautiful to drive, they're very comfortable. If you didn't know, with the power windshield, you've got a mount or a switch up here. So you've got a push button and it raises up, and you can operate this unit open. Little to no effort to open and close the windshield. But yeah, the doors are actually the star of the show today. And I have another gentleman who is looking at doing the full power doors. So when that unit shows up and we get those put on, be glad to do a quick video on it that way. Anyway, this is just a little quick video to show those doors off, especially for anybody who's interested in actually purchasing a set of those doors. Just like to get people have a better view of what those look like on a machine. Alright everybody, thank you for stopping by. And if you'd like to see a little bigger walk around of this machine, I do have a full walk around on the U10 Pro on my channel, Sales with Pat. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a shout here, 409-948-4969. Me or Albert would be glad to talk to you, or even if it's just about parts, my parts manager Danny would love to get you taken care of. Thank you, have a great day.